Hi guys, it's me Rosa once again. Welcome back to my channel. Today vlog is how to make a mulberry tea. I will show you the procedure step by step. Wait, to those are new here on my channel, so please don't forget to click my subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and most especially my notification bell to keep update on my new uploaded video like this. So guys, this is from our tree of mulberry, and I got some pieces of leaves, and now we will make a mulberry tea. So I hope you like this content, and if you want this content, you can share to all your friends, loved ones, and also this tree and leaves have a benefits for our health. And this is also a powerful plant, so that you need to got some on your garden. So guys, once again, it's me Rosa, always here to keep uploaded you some of my garden like this, the benefits and what is the details of this plant, and how to grow, and also to inspire those other people, like despite of a pandemic, we need to be active. So if you have some space on your garden, like I said before on my blogs, you can start to have a mini garden on your home. So guys, I hope you like it, and I wanted to share this. So this is pieces of leaf. So let's start guys. I hope you like it.